Hello everyone. In this short lesson, you will need to reinforce the information you learned in the theoretical lesson. There, I explained what data types are and showed you a list of them. Your task for this lesson is to learn the same information but from other sources. If you open a search engine and type C++ data types, read the first 1 or 3 articles, you will most likely learn a lot of new things. For example, you may see literals of these data types, which I will talk about in the next lesson, or you may even come across examples of creating variables of these types, which I will explain 2 lessons from now. To start writing code with new constructs, we need to understand a combination of 3 things: data types, literals, and variables. As soon as you learn these things, you will immediately start solving more programming tasks, and your knowledge of programming will begin to expand. So get to work. And once again, don't worry if you don't understand something in these articles. The most important thing is to understand what I explained. Everything else is just there to reinforce the material and give you a little additional knowledge. That's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson where we'll start writing code again. Bye everyone.